Creating a time audit for your business is one of the most powerful ways to identify where your time is going and where you could be more efficient. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is track your time. Now, this might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people skip this part. For at least a week, track every task you work on. Whether it's through an app, a spreadsheet, or even pen and paper, it doesn't matter. Just be consistent. You want to capture everything: client meetings, email responses, social media checks, even how much time you spend on lunch breaks. Once you've tracked your time, the next step is to categorize your tasks. Group them into broad categories like administrative tasks, client work, personal time, or anything that makes sense for your business. The idea here is to see where the bulk of your time is being spent. Are you focusing on high priority tasks, or are you getting distracted with low value activities? Now we need to assess how much value each task brings to your business. For example, client-facing tasks like sales calls or strategy meetings are high value. Administrative work, while important, is usually a lower value task. By identifying which tasks drive results and which ones don't, you can start to make smarter decisions about how to spend your time moving forward. Next, prioritize your tasks. Look at the high value activities. These are your focus areas. Tasks that bring little value should either be delegated, automated, or even eliminated entirely. Don't be afraid to say no to things that aren't moving the needle for your business. At this point, you'll want to find a tool that can help you streamline this process. I've tested a lot of the most popular time management software out there, and I found that this software can really help you track, categorize, and assess your time with ease. I've partnered with them to offer you an exclusive free trial, so you can follow along and make your own time audit even easier. You'll find the link to claim that free trial in the description below. The final step is to take action. You've tracked your time, categorized tasks, assessed value, and prioritized what matters. Now it's time to put your findings into practice. Adjust your schedule and focus on the high-value tasks that will push your business forward. So, your key takeaway is this: creating a time audit for your business is all about tracking, categorizing, and making smarter decisions about where you spend your time. By focusing on high-value tasks and eliminating distractions, you'll work smarter, not harder. To recap, here's what we covered. 1. Track your time consistently. 2. Categorize your tasks to see where your time is going. 3. Assess the value each task brings to your business. 4. Prioritize high-value tasks and delegate or eliminate low-value ones. 5. Use the right software to make the process easier. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we talked about in the description below. It's a game changer for managing your time more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.